Everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure on how can you fix Apple Watch flashing, blinking Apple logo while charging. If your Apple Watch is flashing an Apple logo while charging and won't turn on, now force restart is the first troubleshooting steps you could do it. So for that, you want to press and hold both the side buttons and a digital crown on the Apple Watch for at least 10 seconds. The screen should turn black and the Apple logo should appear as well. After which, you could also try releasing the button and wait for the watch to restart. If that doesn't seem to be working out, what you could also do is you could also make sure you're using the original Apple magnetic charging cable or USB-C magnetic fast charging cable. If not, for that, first thing you wanna make sure plug the cable forcefully into the USB cord adapter and adapter into a power outlet. And then you want to ensure that the charging is properly aligned with the back of your watch. Check for any debris or on the back of watch or chargers. You could also try different charging cable or adapter to rule out the issue with an original. If your watch is completely drained, it may take some time for a lightning bolt. Wait for up to 30 minutes for the lightning bolt to appear. Sometimes, if the flashing Apple logo continues after attempting a forced restart and checking the charging connection, there might be hardware problem. You want to simply contact Apple's support. Take your watch to an authorized service provider for diagnose and repair that should be able to help you out. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.